everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing, give me the box. We're going to be doing a belly casting. We got this from Amazon. I think it was like 1-day shipping. Excuse all of these boxes. We're going to open this in the next video. It's a baby stroller, so stay tuned for that. But anywho, we're going to be doing this belly casting. It comes with all the stuff that you need. It says easy 1, 2, 3. And it looks like this. Yep. So yeah, I think that's about it. Let me see. Oh, so it comes with these little things in it. And this is what actually makes the cast, right? So this is what actually makes the cast and makes it hard and everything. It says quick do-it-yourself kit, easy material. So we're just gonna get ready to do this. I'm just gonna sit here and Trey's just gonna cast it for me, and then yeah, we're gonna show you how to do it. So y'all, okay, so first we're gonna start off with this casting lubricant, and what it does is keeps the
what we're going to do today is we're going to get this lubricant. We're going to rub it all on the belly. What you said about it?
And it stops the cast from actually like sticking to your skin, so it won't hurt your skin. So
rinse them out, put it on the palms. Get it.
oh, it's actually warm.
Oh, really? I guess I'll rub it in my hands first. That's why. That's the only reason. I might need a little bit more of that.
Yeah, get out of the way over
Yeah,
here.
because you got to melt it down.
Okay.
Watermelon.
It was a lot, kind of.
It was. But you
I don't want it to be sticky.
You know you need it.
Yeah, I don't want it to be sticky.
It ain't gonna be sticky already.
Ooh, it's shining. Look at it.
Why?
Ooh. Shine like a basketball.
Well, to make it
But
shine.
basketballs don't shine, do they?
I don't think they do.
What shine that's wrong? Globes.
Crystal balls.
That's what, just like that.
Or we won't get up on their belly too.
Yep.
Or you gotta.
Don't
you
do
just
me.
give me a little bit more. There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, we gotta get it. Alright, you ready for the process?
Yes.
We're gonna dip it in some water. Is you ready?
I'm ready. Come on. Well, we gotta tell them what these strips are.
Okay.
So these are the strips. He pre-cut the strips so that it'll be easier because it dries really quick, right?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is, they give you these strips. You gotta dip them in water. I guess it activates it, and then you lay it on my stomach.
That's definitely what it does.
That's what. Okay.
Yeah.
And so, go ahead. We got a pan of water.
Do it, not on camera, not on camera.
Not on duty, not on duty.
That was a lot for that first one.
So once you dip it in the water, it already starts to like get all wet like a cast. You know what I mean?
I tell you what, man, if you ever worked on houses, this ain't nothing but some drywall.
I'm pretty sure these ladies that are watching this video don't know how to lay down drywall.
I'll let you know, man. Man, dog, we done folded up. Alright, there we go.
Yeah.
Get it.
That go right there.
Come on down. I'll go over here.
We moving too. He said, "Mama, what is that?" What is that going on?
Like he always does so without my permission. Sorry, trying to harden on your boy. Let me speed up a little bit, man.
What did you do that? So yeah, you just fill the belly out with the little cast and everything. And then we'll show y'all. It gets long real quick, man.
It does, it does.
Okay, y'all. So we did the boob area, and now we let it sit for like about 10 minutes.
Something like that.
About 10 minutes. So he said something like that. So about 12 minutes. And so now we're just gonna remove it, and yeah, it starts to harden really, really quick. You can hear it. It's like a cast now. So we're gonna take it off, and then I'll be back to show you guys the cast. You can stop it now. Go stop it. Okay, y'all. So this is what the cast turned out like. You gotta turn it to the side. Oh, girl, what you having?
You talking about you wouldn't be?
I still ain't.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
You did good. So anyways, if y'all want to see us put some more stuff together, we got a lot more stuff we got to put together before the baby get here. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Start the video for me. I gotta sneeze.
Oh.